Hello, I'm Tracy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to bake chocolate crinkle cookies. The ingredients that you'll need are flour, vegetable oil, 2 eggs, vanilla, baking powder, salt, cocoa powder, brown sugar, and white sugar. Using a stand mixer, start by pouring the brown sugar, white sugar, vegetable oil, two eggs, cocoa powder, and salt. Next, you'll mix it for a minute or two under a low setting. So if you don't have a stand mixer, you can mix this in a regular mixing bowl. Then you'll add the vanilla, baking powder, lastly, the flour. Mix again under a low setting until well combined. Just make sure you don't over-mix the batter. Then scrape the remaining batter from the mixer attachment. So now that you're done, you'll roll the batter into a bowl. You can use a cookie dough scooper to make them evenly if you like. And after you're done, refrigerate them for 4 hours. After refrigerating for 4 hours, you can now use powdered sugar. I use a half a cup for this recipe. And you can start coating the batter with powdered sugar. Make sure that you coat them very well. I think the thicker the better, so that the powdered sugar will stick to the cookie. Now that it's all coated, bake the crinkle cookies for 12 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. And here's the final results. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified for my next video. Have a great day!